Imagine that. You go to a networking event, talk to someone. That is the person that goes on to become your business partner, transforming your life completely. Does that sound unrealistic? It isn't. Experts note that 85% of all jobs come through networking rather than by applying. So how do you stop talking at people and make the type of relationship that really means something? And how will these types of relationships transform your life rather than your career? Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the power of meaningful connections. Think of every successful entrepreneur, leader, or influencer. They didn't achieve greatness alone. They leveraged relationships to grow, learn, and thrive. Stick around because we're not just talking theory here. I'll share real-life examples, actionable strategies, and even the mistakes to avoid when it comes to networking. Whether you're looking to grow your business, land your dream job, or find a mentor, this video is for you. Your network equals your net worth. Let's break it down. Why do people say your network is your net worth? It's because the people you surround yourself with influence your mindset, opportunities, and overall success. Jim Rohn famously said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Think about it. If you're surrounded by driven, motivated, and successful individuals, their habits, perspectives, and opportunities rub off on you. On the flip side, negative influences can limit your growth. Real-life success stories. Take Oprah Winfrey, for example. She often credits her mentor, Maya Angelou, as a pivotal figure in her life. The relationship wasn't just personal. It fueled Oprah's growth as a leader and a global icon. Another great example is Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. One shares vision while the other technical expertise, which yields one of the most successful companies in the world, namely Apple. The power of reciprocity. Beautiful, meaningful relationships aren't one-sided. The law of reciprocity comes into action. When you help someone else, the other way around is more likely to help you. Let's consider a scenario. You introduce your friend to a contact that would have been very useful in landing him a job. Next time, when you seek similar opportunities, they are bound to return the favor. Your network is not just about who you know, but also how you engage with those people and the value you bring to the table. Creating meaningful relationships. Step 1. Know your goals. Before you begin creating relationships, ask yourself, what am I trying to accomplish? Are you looking for mentorship, career advancement, business prospects? Clarity of what you are trying to accomplish helps you connect with the right people. Step 2. Show up and be present. You can't build a network when you're hiding behind a screen 24/7. You should attend conferences, workshops, or local meetups in your industry. Good starting points could be Meetup or LinkedIn events. Step 3. Learn to listen. It's not about talking nonstop about yourself, but about listening. And that is how you will get the message across that you care for the other person's thoughts and experience. Here's a hint. Ask questions which are open-ended, such as, what inspired you to join in this industry? Or, what is the biggest problem that you are facing now? Step 4. Be smart about digital media. In this digital era, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter have become power media for networking. Be smart on LinkedIn. A headline should tell why you're on LinkedIn. Use it in the summary. React wisely. Comment meaningfully, rather than just like. Instagram. Follow leaders in your industry and engage in relevant comment conversations. Twitter. Jump into trending topics or niche-specific hashtags to connect with people in your space. Step 5. Add value first. Before asking for favors, think of how you can add value to others. You can share a resource, introduce someone in your network, or offer encouragement on something they are working on. Mistakes to avoid. Don't appear transactional or selfish. Relationships take time to foster. Don't forget to follow up. A simple text, "It was great to meet you at event. Let's stay connected," does the trick. Authentic relationships are built on respect and trust for each other. Be the type of person that people would want in their corner. Importance of consistency. That's just the start of the building. Sustaining it is work. Think of a tree. You can't wait for it to grow if you quit watering it after a month. 1. Follow up periodically. Set reminders to follow up on people periodically. Google Calendar or Notion can help you plan follow-ups. Even something simple like, "Hey, I saw this article and thought of you," can keep the connection going. 2. Leverage technology. */CRMs for relationships. You could use tools like HubSpot or even Google Sheets to track all your contacts, important dates, and follow-ups. */social media engagement. Respond to your network's posts. Congratulate them on achievements or comment thoughtfully on their updates. 3. Be the networking host. Be the connector. You don't have to make it epic. Think virtual meetups or small gatherings in your community. 4. Be authentic and transparent. Nobody likes fake people. If you are reaching out, be transparent about your intentions. People value authenticity more than fake facades. 5. Learn the art of giving without expectation. The best relationships usually begin when you give without expecting anything back. Perhaps you recommend a book, share a useful tool, or offer advice based on your expertise. A good, long-lasting network is built on consistency and authenticity. Think of your network as an investment. It grows with time and attention. The magic of collaboration. Your network isn't just a list of contacts. It's a gateway to endless possibilities. Collaboration is where the magic happens. For example, */entrepreneurs can team up for joint ventures. */creatives can collaborate on projects, sharing audiences and resources. How to seek opportunities without seeming pushy. */start with thankfulness. I really appreciate your work on specific project. */start with value. I would love to discuss how we might help each other. */be specific of what you are asking for. Be it advice, mentorship, or even a referral, clarity respects people's time. Take the example of Mark Zuckerberg, who made Facebook. He started with a few friends at Harvard, but then systematically grew through partnerships and connections. It's not about exploiting people. A healthy network thrives off of mutual profit. The minute you win, people get pulled along with you, spreading out in every direction. Leverage your network for not only your own benefit, but to create more for others. When one wins, the community wins. Remember, the relationships you build today can open doors you never envisioned tomorrow. Therefore, take that first step. Send that message, join that event, or reconnect with an old contact. If this video inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Share this with someone who needs a reminder of the power of connections. And in the comments, tell me one action you'll take today to grow your network.